Let's talk about some of the science behind the X39 LifeWave patch. Remember how I explained in my previous video that the patch reflects your own body's infrared light back to your skin at certain wavelengths? So the patch therefore uses the science of light therapy. And light therapy is also called photobiomodulation. Light therapy has been around for decades and is often used regarding sport injuries. Traditionally, it is, however, limited to specific areas of the body and involves large equipment. Never has the benefits of light therapy been so easily available to all people. So, what does light therapy do in the body? It increases production of multiple antioxidants, including glutathione. It increases peptide production and the release of signaling peptides in tissues. It exhibits anti-inflammatory effects and increases pain control. It increases cellular production of energy, ATP. It increases protein synthesis, and it regenerates tissues. So never has the science and advantages of light therapy been harnessed in such a state-of-the-art, user-friendly technology as in the X39 LifeWave patch. If you want to improve your overall health and well-being, this X39 patch is worth trying. For more info about the science behind the patch, check out thisisit.info.com or contact me on dorothy.lightpatch@gmail.com. You can also go to the website lifewave.com/Dorothy Leroux. I'll drop all of the links in the description.